Welcome to our channel. Today we are configuring Siemens HMI as a web client. Let's start. I make a little program, just start and stop, and one DV for analog values. Then I'm changing this value. Now go to device configuration, set the IP here, and go to runtime, then web client, enable this. Go to runtime setting, then remote access, then web client. Enable it. Earlier it was not enabled. Then open screen. I just make a start stop push button and one circle and two analog values. Just M0.0 which we created on PLC. So M0.0, this one. This is start and this is stop and this is the output. Here, this is the output. Then go to security, then user, create a at least 1 to 2 user here like this. Right click here, add new local user. I'm creating same like this, then delete it because I am already created. This is admin. Set this password, click on admin and give the this right for admin. With HMI operator, admin read and write. For user, just click on HMI monitor on web client. Then click here, then go to download device, software all. Then click on full download, then restart runtime, then go to runtime values, untick this keep current user administrator, untick this, then reset all, then load the program. Just wait for some time. Sometime web page not working, then you need to restart the HMI power. This is the IP for my HMI. Then click enter. Then click on WinCC Unified RT. Then give the user which we created on the HMI local users. This is the admin and I'm using this. Just paste it here and copy the password. Just paste it here. Then sign in. Open the PLC DV section. Look, the value is 55 and 120. Then I'm changing these values. 88. Look, the changes appear on PLC. Then click on start push button. Then stop. The circle is green and red. Now open the program. Down this. Then go online. Then click on start button now. On start. Then stop. This is working. The configuration of MTP is completed. Thanks for watching our channel. Please like and subscribe.